Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to calculate and draw the staircase. Okay, suppose that our rise is 250 centimeter. Okay, this height from here to here 250. So I'm going to choose the riser 18 centimeter. So how to find the step? I have the formula that step equal to 270 divided by 18. After calculating, I will get 15. Okay, and now I'm going to find the thread width. This from here to here. So I have a formula that 2 rise plus thread equal to 60. Okay, so now from here thread equal to 60 minus 2 multiply riser. There is riser, it will be 36. So how much is 24? Okay, and this is the thread from here to here with 24, and this is 18 centimeter. Okay, and this is the thread width. If you want to know how many thread we have, as you know, we have 15 step, and if you make it 15 minus 1, it is 14. Then you can find this is your how many thread do you have from here to here. You have 14. So if you want to find this distance from here to here, this how much is this, you can easily find the thread width multiply to the amount of the thread, 14. It will be 336 centimeter. Okay, this is the thread, and this is the riser, and both of them is one step. Okay, and this total step from here to here, it's staircase. Okay, so now let's go to the AutoCAD, and I will show you there with all detail and distance on AutoCAD. Okay guys, this is the staircase. So as I explained you that this is the thread or going, and this is the riser, and both of them, the total of them is called step, and the total step is staircase. So this is the rise from here to here, or you can call it the height of this staircase is 270 centimeter. And also as we calculated that this is the total run is 336 centimeter, and this angle this is call it pitch, and there is this is the landing, and one landing in here, there's one in here for the baluster, and this is the baluster, this one all the baluster, and this one is the handrail, and both of them, the baluster and the handrail, both of them they call the balustrade. Okay, and now you can calculate the thread width and also the total run, and also you can choose the rise of the staircase. This is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.
get that light, but now we feel it in our heart.